Draw and learn. Oh, look at this bicycle. Do you like bicycle? Today we want to color the bicycle with each other. At first, I'm using green color. Do you like to ride bicycle? Oh, that's so nice. I like it very much. Now I'm using red color. Repeat after me. Red color. Which color do you like for the wheels? What about blue color? Do you like it? It's so beautiful. Keep going, kids. You're so great. And the second wheels. Let's do it with me. Orange color. Repeat after me. Orange color. It's so nice! Finished, kids! That's great! Thank you for watching me! See you in the next video! Bye-bye! Oh, look at this train! It's so fast! Hello, kids! Today we want to coloring this train with each other. At first, I'm using yellow color for the windows. Don't forget to subscribe as kids. Now I want to use red color for this part. What about you, kids? Which color do you like? Do you like to travel with train? It's so wonderful. Oh, kids, where do you like to travel? I like to travel with my family. I love my family very much. What about you, kids? I'm sure you love your parents very much. Do you like blue color? Keep going, kids. You're so great. I'm sure you can coloring very well. Pink color. Please subscribe me, kids. That's so awesome. Let's coloring the wheels with each other. I'm using black color for the wheels. What about you, kids? Which color do you like to use now? That's so great! Now I want to use gray color. If you like our videos, please subscribe as kids. I want to coloring the train so colorful. Oh, look, we have a cat in our train. Hello, kitty. finished! Now we have a colorful train! It's so amazing! I like it! Thank you for watching me! If you like our videos, please subscribe us! See you in the next video! Bye bye!